To install your PUR Faucet Filtration system, no tools are required. Follow these quick and easy steps for great tasting water. Install the filter by twisting off the back cover of the PUR device. Make sure to orient the filter correctly and simply insert it into the device. It's normal for the filter to fit loosely. Once inserted, replace the cover. Next, remove the original aerator from your faucet, making sure to take off any washer if one is found. If you're having trouble, try using a rubber jar opener to help. Once removed, identify if your faucet has internal or external threading. This will determine if an adapter is necessary and which one is appropriate when installing your PUR device. First, try attaching the PUR device directly to the faucet. This device's built-in threading fits most external threaded faucets. If the device does not fit, you will need to attach one of the adapters provided. For an externally threaded faucet, try attaching adapter 1. For an internally threaded faucet, try using adapter 2 or 3. If none of the enclosed adapters fit your faucet, simply contact PUR and they will send you a suitable adapter for free. If an adapter is needed and an appropriate one has been found, make sure the washer is firmly set inside. When mounting the PUR device to the faucet, it must be level to ensure a proper seal. With the clean sensor monitor facing you, finger tighten the device onto the faucet by turning the threaded mounting nut counterclockwise until it's secure. Now, with everything in place, turn your faucet on and switch the PUR Faucet Filtration System's lever down. This redirects the water from the faucet through the PUR Faucet system for filtered water. You'll notice a green light flash 6 times when the filter is in use. That means it's working properly. You can switch between filtered and unfiltered water by simply using the lever. Before using, flush the cartridge by letting cold water run through the filtration channel for 5 minutes. If you see cloudy water or hear the sound of water pushing air through the filter cartridge, don't worry, this is normal and will end once the system is flushed. Now you are ready to enjoy great tasting water straight from your faucet. For more information, visit PUR.com.